What is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, guys, meme coins are so volatile, and we are gonna have to admit this. Whether we like it, whether we don't like it don't matter. Because at the end of the day, it could be going down and you could be feeling like very, very low, and then next hour it just goes all the way up and things change. So today, we dropped very low. I know people that loaded up, okay, so well done to them. Dips are always great opportunities to make money. But ultimately, you're going to have to play the long-term game here, because what is about to happen to Charlie is going to be very, very exciting. We're talking about exchanges, KOLs, all sorts of partnerships, giveaways, many interesting things, and it's just going to kick off big time. So really happy, really excited about this. Also, in the macroeconomics, I don't know if you guys saw it, ETH dipped. Okay, because of all the fears of micro strategy selling, sailors saying some stuff, but it all rebounded, went up 10%, even more. So you see how volatile everything is. Like one day you're thinking it's over, the next day you're like, wow, I'm back on the track and I'm about to really do some big things. So really happy about this, guys. Very, very excited. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. Things are about to get even more exciting. And I believe with what is to come, we are going to get some really big rewards. And we should be happy about this for sure. Now, another thing that needs to be pointed out, guys, you need to get involved with the socials. You need to start learning to follow. Very important. Like if you want to have the upper hand, if you want to have the advantage, you are gonna have to learn to actually follow, to engage, because this is where you're gonna hear about, KOLs, new KOLs coming in, okay? So you can see how big the team is. You're going to hear about exchanges. You're going to hear about all sorts of partnerships, all sorts of things that are going to paint the future. So really, really excited about this. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay. They're active. They're talking. And in bearish times, guys, I think they're doing very well. So you can imagine when the altcoin season comes, Charlie is going to go over 100 mil. Okay. Mark my words, guys. So really, really happy about this. Website. Excellent. Okay, great roadmap, great vision. Lots and lots of things have and will be done. So we're just kicking off. We're just getting started. And I think this is kind of this is a motivational video for you guys to start opening your eyes and making moves when it really does count, when it really does matter. Okay, nice and early. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Really do appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.